Welcome the game-changing Dynamix 365 Copilot, a cloud-based solution optimizing business processes and customer interactions like never before. Imagine real-time data analytics at your fingertips, providing insights that drive informed decisions. Welcome to the future of business management. With Dynamix 365 Copilot, you can streamline your operations, empower your teams, and enhance customer experiences. You're probably wondering, how do I get started? It's simple. All you need is a Microsoft account and a thirst for efficiency. And don't forget, by subscribing to Dynamix Academy, you're not just joining a community. You're stepping into a whole new world of knowledge, ready to transform your business. Remember, in the world of business, the only constant is change. Stay ahead of the curve with Dynamix 365 Copilot. This is your chance to experience the future today, so why wait? Dive in. Welcome to Dynamix Academy, where business meets innovation. Thank you. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.